They bought, Albertsons used to be in here, but they bought out the whole property and all.
Cannonball! Yay!
Until you were ready.
Then we got Aldi's, and they, the van, Wednesday takes you to Aldi's, and they leave you there about an hour and a half. And the man, Steve, the driver of the van,
That is excellent.
and then I tip him. I always tip him.
Oh, thank you.
Well, he won't drop him. He'll take bad care of him.
Is she ready for you?
So that way I could buy
Oh, I wasn't ready.
Bills and orange juice, heavy things that I
Yeah.
could
Yeah, he brings the whole. That's why I was wondering how do you get the bags in from the van? You know, somebody helps you get them inside. Then you pick them up one at a time.
So he's real good at that.
Good, good. Does she have a husband?
Somewhere.
I don't think so. I don't think I have. Yeah, I met him one time. A long, long time ago.
Yeah, he's gone more than he's home, bless his heart.
So what have y'all been doing with yourself? Traveling?
Oh, Lord,
Well,
no.
we did go up to the Mason, the second grandson graduated from high school. We watched him graduate, and he's going to go to Georgia Southern. So that's the second one.
Oh, I'm ready.
And 2 weeks, another one's going to graduate. And then every Thursday, every Thanksgiving.
Beautiful. What a cannonball.
That was an amazing cannonball.
And so we'd have a great big.
She'll start posing for it in a minute.
I'm doing video, actually.
Are you watching me?
I'm watching both of you. All right, we're ready.
And then, of course, now every Sebring in March, you know, all the guys come.
Cannonball, yay!
Your ear got water. Can you do some swimming ready?
Thursday,
First
Friday,
up.
Saturday, sometimes
One and the other. Reach,
camping trip.
reach,
We have a
reach.
great
More,
big,
reach.
we set everything
Reach,
up, big
little bubbles,
bars,
reach.
big tents, and
Reach.
barbecues, do all
And
that.
grab the side.
Make the whole deal.
And stand up.
We set up
You
a,
got
make a
it.
little,
Excellent.
you know, all
Awesome.
this kind of stuff. We
Excellent.
make a big camping trip. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay,
Pool's coming apart.
Gary's up in Boston.
What is it, a
He
tile?
retired from the Air Force as a major, and now he's got a job with the Air Force up in Boston. And his wife,
Kim,
she's
it's
always-
amazing what you
she
can
was in the
do.
Marine Corps too. And she-
I mean,
she
you've
got
spent
out,
less
she
than an
always
hour,
worked
and
on
you're
base.
just, it's
So she got a
amazing
job up there
what you
working
can
on
do with
base,
her.
too. So they're both
When you
living
know
on
her.
base.
But she took lessons.
Speakers live on base. It's very expensive. So
Okay.
they're basically renting a home.
Hey, listen, everybody watch.
Everybody watch.
Marilyn,
Okay.
Gary, Grant,
Yay! Now we gotta applaud the next time. Applaud.
Face in the water, go. Reach, 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 reach. This arm, reach. Oh.
Excellent.
Come on,
Clap,
Gary,
clap,
You
applaud.
tell me.
Everybody applaud. Tell her how good she
You
is.
gotta put your feet down, too.
Yay! That was good. That was excellent.
Can't see.
You're making me want to jump in there in my clothes.
Oh dear. Wet t-shirt contest. You wore white.
Yeah, I know. Won't do that. I made that mistake at the beach one time.
I'm watching. Wow. That was great.
That was superb, Alex.
Did you blow some bubbles? No.
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 Yeah, blow bubbles. I stick my face in the water.
Where you going, deep end? Oh, fix your boob. I did what you did. Woo! Oh, don't drink the pool.
Go